another session of NCERT chemistry. So here we were discussing about the questions from acids, bases and salts. So we have one question again. A student has prepared an acidic and also basic solutions and poured in a transparent bottles, but she forgot to label. As both are colorless, she is unable to identify. So you have to help her in identification of the solutions. So what we can do? We can use our indicators because both are colorless, they are saying. So by using the color indicators, we can identify those solutions, right? So what we can use here, if you want to use methyl orange. So what we can do here by using this methyl orange, if this methyl orange is converted into red color, we can say that particular solution is acidic solution, and the other one, if it is able to convert into yellow color, we can say that particular solution is basic solution. If you are having phenolphthalein, then what we can do? Phenolphthalein converts into pink color only in the presence of basic solution. So if it is converting into pink color, we can identify that particular solution is base, otherwise it is a acid. As already they have given, it is acidic or basic. Only either it may be acidic or it may be basic. So if it is not a base, it will be compulsory acid only. Otherwise, if you are provided with blue litmus paper, how you can identify? If it is able to convert into red color, you can say that it is an acid, otherwise it is a base. If you are provided with a red litmus paper, if it converts into blue color, it is a basic solution. If it is converted into, means if it is not converted into blue color, it is a acidic solution. Like that, question may be given in this manner. Otherwise, sometimes what they will do, you are provided only with the methyl orange. How can you help her? Like that they will ask, or they may ask like, you are provided only with the phenolphthalein, or you are provided with only red litmus paper. How you can identify the solutions? Like that question may be given. So based on that, you have to think about that and write it. So here we have one more question from acids, bases and salts. There were 4 test tubes labeled A, B, C and D. When pH paper was dipped in that particular solution, it has changed the color as follows. When it is dipped in A solution, changed to red color, and in B it showed a violet color, and in C green color, and in D orange color. Now what we have to do, identify the nature of these solutions and also arrange them in increasing order of the pH. So what we can do here, how we can identify the nature of that particular solutions. So what we can do here, first of all, you observe green color. If it is able to convert that particular into green color, we can say that particular solution is neutral solution. And if it is able to convert that into violet, indigo, blue, all these will show the basic nature. And if you are able to get yellow, orange, red, those solutions are acidic solutions. So just write that violet, VIBGR, whatever the different colors of the light are there, that you write in the reverse order, right? Means first of all we are going to write red, then orange, yellow, green, next blue, indigo, violet, right? So exactly in the middle we are going to get green color. That green color we can say that the particular solution is neutral. So after green whatever we are getting, those all will come under basic solutions. Before green whatever the colors we are getting, all those 3 colors are nothing but they will have the acidic nature, right? So first of all we will try to identify the nature based on these colors. So what we can write here, A, as it is converting that into red color, what we can say here, this is acidic solution. We can say that A is acidic. Next, B, it is changing into violet color. So what we can say, this is a basic solution. Then what about C here? As it is changing into green color, what we can say, it is a neutral solution. Neutral solution. Then D is changing into orange color. So what we can say here, acidic solution. Right. Now we have to identify that nature. Already we have identified. Next, arrange them in increasing order of pH. What we know already, pH is more. pH is more means it is basic. What is that? More means it is more than 7, it is a basic nature. If it is less than 7, it is acidic nature. How can we say it is more or less? Based on the colors again. So here just observe what we are doing here. We are writing this VIBGR in reverse order. So VIB VibGR we have to write now, VIBGYOR. So these three colors will show us the particular solution is having the acidic nature, and these three colors will show us that the solution is having basic nature. If you are getting exactly in the middle, that is green color, the solution is neutral, right? So violet, indigo, blue means nothing but basic we are saying, no. So if any solution is able to convert that pH paper or universal indicator color into violet color, it will have more pH. So what we can write here, increasing order they are asking. So least one we have to find out first. So just observe, any solution is able to convert that into red? Yes, that is A. So what we can do here, A less than, orange or yellow is there anywhere? Yes, it is there. So D. Next, only red and orange is given, yellow is not given in our solutions. So in your question, if yellow is given, that you can select after D. And now you see, green is there anywhere? Yes, it is there. So less than C. Many of the students will confuse with increasing and decreasing order also. Increasing order is asked, what we have to write? Least first. Then we have to show that increasing order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How we are writing in increasing order? Like that here also we have to write. So A less than D less than C. Next, less than, blue color we don't have anywhere, indigo we don't have anywhere, violet is there. So what we can do? B. So A, D, C, B. If you are writing here B, C, D, A, it will be the wrong answer. Increasing order is asked, that only you have to write. Right? So like this, based on the universal indicator or pH paper color also, we can identify the color. We can identify the nature of the particular solution. Just we have to write this VibGR in the reverse order, and just to try to remember, green will show the neutral nature, before green acidic nature, after green basic nature.